are the Orange Power!
Hello, I am Captain C, and I'm inviting you inside to see how I protect your body like a shield. Most people think I am just sweet juice, but I am actually a complex machine designed to build and repair you. We start here in the mouth, where my natural acids wake up your taste buds and signal your stomach to get ready. Once swallowed, I don't just sit there, I provide immediate hydration packed with natural electrolytes like potassium.
Wait, before we go deeper, look at me. I am the white spongy part you usually peel off and throw away.
Please don't throw me away. I contain just as much vitamin C as the fruit itself, plus special fiber. Now, let's travel to your bloodstream, where my main job begins, patrolling for invaders.
Your white blood cells are your body's soldiers, and I am the ammunition they need to fight off colds and flu.
I don't just fight germs, I also hunt down free radicals that try to rust and damage your healthy cells.
While Captain C fights, I travel to your kidneys to do some very important cleaning work.
I contain citrate, which helps stop crystals from forming together, keeping your kidneys flushing smoothly. Down here in the digestive tract, my spongy fibers act like a soft, moving wall.
I help slow down the absorption of sugar so you get energy without the dangerous spike.
Now, look up at the skin surface from the inside. See how it needs support to stay tight?
I am the essential ingredient your body needs to make collagen, the glue that holds your skin together.
Without enough of us, your skin loses its bounce and structure, leading to early wrinkles. My oils also contain limonene, which sends calm signals to your brain to lower stress. Back in the heart vessels, I am working on something called hesperidin.
This is a plant compound found mostly in my white skin that helps your blood vessels relax and open up.
This makes it easier for your heart to pump blood, keeping your pressure healthy and steady. People often ask, Captain, should I drink you or eat you? Eating me whole is always better because you get pith patrol and his fiber to protect your liver. If you only drink the juice, you lose the fiber, and the sugar hits your system too fast.
The best time to eat us is as a mid-morning snack, or right after a workout to replace lost fluids.
Avoid eating us late at night if you have a sensitive stomach, as my acidity might wake you up.
And remember, next time you peel an orange, leave some of the white stuff on.
It might taste a little less sweet, but it is the secret weapon for your heart and digestion. We are nature's sunshine, wrapped in a peel, ready to brighten your health from the inside out. Thank you for letting us protect you. Keep glowing and stay healthy. Join us next time as we explore the mighty banana. See you soon!